9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I want to go over the commodities real quick, and then we're going to touch a few of the cryptos. So we've got silver up to $25 an ounce. We've got gold, which is at 1922. 1923. I don't know why gold's down there, but so we're looking okay in the commodity markets. I think gold's a little undervalued right now because we had such a big breakdown. If you look at the weekly, we tried to have a engulfing candle to the downside. It got rejected halfway through. That's very bullish. This is going to be a reversal. If we hold that low of 1800 and roughly 94 that we put in last week after the Fed meeting, if that's the low, we have a long ways up for gold. If 1895 doesn't crack under any of this, we have a long way to go for gold. So this is a very good sign. We could be starting the reversal right before our very eyes. Same thing with silver. If that 24.48 low holds, and that's the low put in, because this engulfing candle is a failure in the daily. It held up very well. Even if it were to pull up down now, it held very well. I'm back in GPL at 26.68, as I told some people in my community, but I told them it was a very risky and aggressive buy. But I decided to buy it there at 26.68, roughly $1,800. I had it on the sideline from when I sold out of GPL at 34 cents, so I figured it was a great time. It's down better than 28%, so I'm playing this to play up. It could come all the way down, though, to 22 cents, is why I told everybody be very cautious. I'm not worried if it goes down. I'll just hold it through the drop, unless it shows me that I need to get out before the drop, and then I could obviously do that. So the gold and silver market's looking pretty good. Pay attention to those. You got PBR that's up to that 13.68. I called out a buy on this at $12.88 last week. And now it had a great engulfing candle up. It looks like it wants to use this as support. And unless it retraces down to that $11.31, which I still think is a very distinct possibility, it might come up to $14.96 first and double top. So just pay attention to the commodities markets. Nothing's guaranteed in the commodities, but there's definitely opportunities to be had, especially if gold and silver put in that low last week. So Filecoin is one that I think is going to be one that's very valuable coming up here forward. It looks like we put in our low at 1650, and it doesn't really want to come below that even in the weekly. So we have to watch this very carefully. This would be one of the more undervalued on a swing trade on your next purchase. This is one that could go up better than 20-25% in a very quick amount of time once the market's ready. Algo, if you're in on these gains of better than 10% since last night, I know it's come down a little bit, but pay attention, because on this, it should come back down to 77 or 75 cents to confirm the break out of this cup and handle. So like I told everybody today, with Bitcoin looking like it's on a retrace day, it's never a bad idea to take profits. Bitcoin, I have targeted to move where that arrow is, somewhere down around 38,800 to 39,500 area. IOTA, again, IOTA is either going to pull up like Algo did and move up to 81 cents, or it's going to come down and consolidate to 70 cents still. It doesn't really have much of a choice. It's either got to break up or break down relatively quickly. And if Bitcoin breaks down like I'm anticipating, this could be a nightmare for people that are just getting in. And then with Ren also popped, what was it, 6 point, even now it's only 5.9, but it was up to 38 cents, hit that resistance. So now, you know, you got to be very careful, because Ren likes to come back and hit this uptrend, and there's a chance that it might fall through the uptrend in the very immediate short term. But I don't anticipate it. I anticipate watching the uptrend and buying it again if it hits this 34 cents. 34 cents would be a great time to buy Ren again. So keep watching this uptrend, and if it allows you, buy it every time it hits that uptrend and it doesn't fall through. XRP Future Millionaire, hit that like button.